We're at Rydal Precision Engineering down at Swanley in Kent. Now, they just purchased this fantastic new machine. It's not just about the machine, it's also about the work holding solution. So,
Yes.
what have you gone for and why?
So we went for the Lang solution. I needed something modular, something that could hold on to a component, you know, so that we could machine it and hit it hard. We machine hard materials, so we need to have that grip. But it's all about access as well. So with it being modular, we can build up the part and bring it to a level that we can get around all the aspects of the machining.
Okay, so you've got a huge working envelope in here.
Yep.
3 vices at the moment. You can potentially go up to 5 vices.
We can have 5 because we've got the side pallets.
Yep.
We can bring 2 vices there to the front and put 2 more at the back. Which, you know, we haven't got a pallet machine, but effectively this gives us, you know, as close as we can get to it.
Right.
By having, you know, modular fixtures we can change in and out. We can have different setups. We've got 2 jobs in there at the moment. You know, we could have up to 5 depending on how the work holding fits.
You said you're machining difficult materials, so how do these Lang vices help?
Because the clamping force is immense. It really holds onto the part.
So it says 100 Newton meters of torque, but in terms of actual...
In clamping forces, it's tons of clamping force. Yeah. So once we've got hold of the component, we can hit it hard,
Yep.
remove material, and not worry about it coming out, even though we're only gripping on 3mm of component.
3 mil.
3 mil.
Okay.
So that means that we don't have to buy excess material that just sits inside a vise and is waste at the end of the day.
Okay, and then so you're pre-stamping it, and what benefit does the stamping give you?
So once we've pre-stamped it, the teeth indentations are already in there.
Yep.
There's a marker to say where the 0 point is on that, so we can then use that to align the component. The particular component we've got, that's its first rough finish stage.
Okay.
We can send that for stress relieving. It'll come back and then we'll locate on exactly the same position to do the next stage. And then after heat treatment, we can do the same again.
Okay, so a number of different operations in and out of the machine, so you're going to get accuracy, repeatability.
Yes, we are. And it just makes the ease of setup so much quicker.
Okay, because one of you guys just loaded in the vice in the middle with a riser block. What's the benefit of that?
It gives us better access to the component. So, you know, when we're flipping the axis around, it means that we can get the tools in to work hard without being, you know, stretched out on long tool holders.
Okay. And this is the first time you've purchased Lang. Any other reason why you've gone that option?
No, I looked out there for a solution, and Lang was the foremost, the one that came to mind, and was capable of doing the job. They offer, you know, a complete solution that gives us exactly what we need. We can also use it across our other processes as well.
Right, so this is, we sort of said at the beginning, this is your new machine, and first time you're doing 5-axis work.
Yeah.
You're doing a lot of other processes in this machine shop.
Yeah, we can effectively move that product on the existing Lang vise into other machining centres, onto grinders, even onto our wire machines. So we can use it anywhere within the shop.
Okay, big question, is it going to be repeatable and accurate though?
Oh, it's very accurate,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah, it relocates within microns. So, you know, we don't have any problems with that.
Okay, and it is a 0-point system, so how easy is it? I mean, one of your guys just sort of loaded up the device in the middle. How easy is it to do?
Oh, it's very simple. Undo one Allen key,
Yeah.
lift it out. If you're not putting anything back in there, just put blanking plugs in. But it is literally just the one Allen key. Take it out and put it back in.
There you go, nice and simple. So, fantastic work holding solution from Lang there, making it simple, repeatable, accurate. Anything else?
Flexible, hugely flexible.
There you go, there you have it. That's Paul from Rydal Precision down in Swanley in Kent.